Three here. Oh geez, this sounded so weird. But I can't really speak right now. My voice hurts so much. Wow, oopsie. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I just need to restart. I was testing it out. Give it a little test run. Test drive. I'm playing hybrid animals. So hybrid animals is where you pick a father and you pick a mother and they do it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna pick the father. I pick Harambe. And I pick him. Gorilla plus Sleuth equals what? Silverback man? That doesn't look creative. Chest first. And a bat. Cheeseburger and a bat. Mick Hawk. But it has Beacon? No. Well, hello there. Okay. Well, that was interesting. But seriously, I did not want to watch that. Okay, ostrich and a crab. Oh, oh my god. Yes, I love it. And it doesn't have bacon. Wait, did I just say it doesn't have vegan? It's not vegan. Damage. When I get to a higher level, I'm just gonna come down and murder all the other little ones. I'm gonna murder all their little No, I'm not. Okay, so it's kind of getting boring. Okay, then. Please. Get out of here. Come on. You see, Mon? You see? No. You have achieved death. Okay, so that's that. And since I'm gonna make a hybrid of a game. Hybrid. Lol. Low hybrid. Why is it? This thing was supposed to be on like mute. Shut up. Ooh, a boot. So quite quiet. What did the update do? Whoa, 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 hello there. No, get up, whoo, whoosh. Ah! Get up, up. No! I got 22. One more round of this, and then I'm going to upload. Come on, get up. Gotta concentrate. No! God. Why? Okay, hold on. I want to try and like jump really late. Ah. Well, that's it for now. Lottie.dog. Goodbye. Let's crack a lackin', boys. Goodbye. That just sounded weird. Okay, bye.